Hello everyone, welcome to KK Informative. This is Kritika Kannan here. Hope all are safe and good. Today we are going to see about globe, but little different. We are going to learn about globe with my younger daughter Vinuja. Vinuja, hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Vinuja.
What is this Vinuja?
Globe.
Yes, this is a globe. These blue colored portions are what?
Water bodies.
Very good. These blue colored portions are
Water
water
bodies.
bodies. Other colored portions are what? Other colored portions are?
Land masses.
Yes, very good. Other colored portions are?
Land masses.
Water bodies are also known as oceans. Land masses are also known as
Continents.
yes. So all the water bodies are oceans and all the land masses are continents. What is this? Earth. What is
Earth.
this? Yes.
Earth.
It's in which shape, Vinita?
Sphere.
Yeah. Our earth is in spherical shape. That is sphere. Okay. Half of the sphere. If I cut that globe into two equal halves, then each half is called hemisphere. What is that?
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere means half sphere. That is half of the sphere. Hemi means half. Hemi means what?
Half.
Very good. Now I have two hemispheres, right? Now I am going to make those two hemispheres into flat circles by pressing it in the center of the hemispheres. I'm going to push those hemispheres at the center. Can you help me to push those hemispheres?
Yes.
Push. Push. Now I have two flat circles like this. Right? Wow. Nice, right? These two flat circles, okay, represents our earth. Okay, this is called map. What is this?
Map.
Yes, globe also represent our earth and map also represent our earth, right? Globe is the three-dimensional representation of our earth, but map is the two-dimensional representation of our earth. Vinuja, which is the three-dimensional representation of our earth?
Globe.
Which is the two-dimensional representation of our earth?
Map. Map.
Very good. Shall we recall the things we have learned so far now, right? Blue portion of the globe is called what? Blue portion of the globe is called what? Water bodies. Water bodies also known as oceans. Other colored portions are Land masses.
Just.
Land masses are called continents. Globe is in which shape? Spherical in shape. Hemisphere means half sphere. Globe is the three-dimensional representation of our Earth. Map is the two-dimensional representation of our Earth. Next, we are going to see about continents. How many continents we have in our Earth? How many?
7.
Yes. Do you know those continent names?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we sing a song for continents?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes. Tell me the continents.
Tell me the continents, tell me if you can. North America, South America, Africa, Europe and Asia. Don't forget Antarctica. Don't forget Australia. Tell me the continents, tell me the continents, tell me if you can. Okay, these are the 7 continents we have in our Earth. First one is North America. Second one is South America. This is Africa. This is Europe. And this is Asia. It is our own continent. We are in Asia continent, right? This is Australia. This is Antarctica. These are the 7 continents we have in our Earth. Okay, Europe and Asia combined together and we can call it as Eurasia. What is that? Eurasia. And North America and South America we can combine together and call it as America. Right? Like that, Europe, Africa and Asia collectively known as Africa Eurasia. Right? Next thing is oceans. How many oceans we have?
5.
5 oceans. First ocean is Pacific Ocean. This side, this left side and right side, we have Pacific Ocean. This is the largest ocean in the world. Then second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. It is in the middle of the map. In between America and Europe, then Africa, we have Atlantic Ocean. The third largest ocean is
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean. We have Indian Ocean below the Asian continent, right? The fourth ocean is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. The other name for Southern Ocean is
Antarctic Ocean.
This is near the Antarctica continent. So this can be called as Antarctic Ocean. The last ocean, the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. These are the list of oceans from large to small. The first largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Second largest ocean is
Atlantic
Atlantic
Ocean.
The third largest ocean is Indian
Indian
Ocean.
Ocean.
The fourth largest ocean is
South Ocean.
we have to read like Southern Ocean, not South Ocean, right? This is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean.
Ocean.
The smallest ocean is
Arctic Ocean.
Yes. hope all of you understand the concept now. We'll meet you again with a new video. Thank
you
very much for watching
watching
our video. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care.